Young people's confidence behind the thinking pattern. From pursuing freedom to anarchy. Many young people join the workforce right after graduating from college. Despite their lack of social experience and knowledge, they exhibit extraordinary confidence. Where does this confidence come from? Observers might see this as self-importance. They often refuse to accept advice or criticism from their superiors. This phenomenon is particularly noticeable among those who have received Western education. Young people often act under the banner of pursuing freedom, but in reality, their behavior frequently crosses reasonable boundaries. It is difficult to understand why they behave this way, but some people cannot accept this reality because their understanding of freedom is too narrow. They do not realize that freedom is relative and must be exercised within the framework of laws and regulations. In the workplace, young people must follow company rules and conditions and regulate their own behavior. Acting arbitrarily and disregarding company policies will lead to chaos in the workplace. Although this logic is straightforward, there are few who truly understand it. This sense of self-importance stems from a deeply ingrained thinking pattern. This mindset often leads young people to overestimate their abilities and overlook their lack of experience and skills. As a result, they tend to resist criticism from superiors or others. Young people need to realize that pursuing freedom does not mean disregarding others and society. Freedom should be achieved with respect for others and adherence to rules, allowing them to find better development opportunities in their careers and lives. For young people, adjusting their thinking pattern is crucial. Therefore, changing their thinking pattern not only helps young people understand the true meaning of freedom better but also aids them in finding balance in work and life. By cultivating a more modest and open-minded approach, young people can better handle challenges in their careers and lives. This requires them to break away from fixed notions and face the world with an open mind. Young people need to learn to listen humbly to others' opinions and advice, to collaborate with others, and to maintain a positive attitude in work and life. They need to recognize that success not only comes from personal ability but also relies on cooperation with others. Meanwhile, young people also need to establish the right values and understand that freedom and responsibility go hand in hand. Freedom is not about being completely unrestrained but is based on respecting others' rights and following societal rules. With this understanding, young people can pursue personal development and freedom while maintaining harmony with society. Young people must learn how to balance their ideals with reality. This means maintaining determination in the face of challenges but also adjusting their expectations and goals when necessary. Through such adjustments, young people can find their place in reality and pursue their dreams with rationality and practicality. However, the question is, how can we make young people aware of the importance of this balance? How can we help them find the right way to navigate society while respecting their individuality and freedom? We need to communicate with them openly, sharing our experiences and insights to help them better understand the complexities and diversities of society. In this process, we also need to reflect on whether we are providing enough support and guidance to young people. We should create more opportunities for them to develop their talents and provide a healthy, positive environment for their growth. In this way, we can help young people find their place in this complex world and achieve true fulfillment and success on their journey toward freedom and self-realization.